Hey there, Tad Argrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about the power of sharing excerpts. So there's a lot of forms that this could take, but I'll talk about books or ebooks. So I have, 16 different ebooks or workbooks that I've written over the years. And I tried a bunch of things to sell them. You know, you mentioned them in an email newsletter. I would do Facebook ads for them with like an image of the ebook. I would do little write-ups, on Facebook saying, hey, it's a good ebook, go buy it. And none of that really worked, but here's what has worked, is sharing excerpts. So if you go to my Instagram or on my Facebook page and scroll back, you'll see I've shared excerpts from my ebook, Who Am I to Teach and Get Paid for It, and The Niching Nest. Those are the two, but there are more coming. And I think actually I've literally shared all of the content from my ebook, Who Am I to Teach, because it was formatted in a way that was easy to do these little nugget excerpts. So there you go. It's probably now about 100 of these excerpts that I've shared. And especially early on, as I was doing it, I'd share it on Facebook and Instagram, but also my personal profile. And I was getting one book sale every time I shared it. So I'd make a post in those three places and I'd sell an ebook. That was $20 or $40. So that's a good deal. Yeah. So if you're looking to sell more ebooks, or if it's an audio course or video course, consider giving away excerpts with a link, and letting people know. It doesn't have to be big, just a 1 minute or 2 minute clip, or just a tiny few paragraphs from it. David White, I noticed, did this with his book of meditations called, what was it called? Oh gosh, now I'm forgetting. Consolations, it was called. And I bet you he shared every single chapter in a little outtake, but with a link to the book to go buy it. And I bet you that sold him a lot of books. So instead of saying, hey, buy this, trust me, it's great, it's saying, hey, here's an excerpt. I trust you. If you like this, you'll probably want to buy more. And you might be amazed at how well that works. The best part is you don't have to create any new content. It's already there. You literally just cut, paste, and share. If you want to format it into some fancy format, a little carousel of images for Instagram, that's great. But in the beginning, I just did it, and on Facebook, I still just do it, just as text. So cut, paste, here's an image, and there you go. So hopefully that's helpful. A little strategy you can use to just immediately start selling things. That's all. And of course, these YouTubes are little excerpts of my own point of view. And I share one of them a day. If you want to be kept up to date on these, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram at Marketing for Hippies, or on Facebook, not too hard to find there. And also my email list at marketingforhippies.com, and you can get little updates from me on a fairly consistent basis. So thanks so much for coming by, everybody. Talk to you soon.